Welcome guys, in this video we're going to see how for loop works in PHP. So the syntax for for loop is simply you pass for, then you say dollar, you can give any variable. I say $I say $I0, and then I pass here the condition. So I say $I, if less than some number, let's say 10, then do whatever we want in operation. And here we say increase $I as well every time. So here we put curly braces, and here we say whatever we want to do. So here we want to let's print something. So I say echo, and what happens is I say here value space concatenation $I, and I want to put a break, so let's put a break here. Alright, so now we have it starting from 0 going till 10, less than 10, so it should print 0 to 9. So let's see here, refresh, so we get 0 to 9. Every value is printing just fine. Now you can change anything in this loop as you like. You might want to start it from 1, you might want to print till 10. So it's like $I is equal to 1, start from 1, and run till it is equal to and less than 10. So it is going to be 1 to 10 this time. You can see that going just fine. Now we can reverse it as well. So in that case, what we will be doing, we will say here $I is 10, and as long as we are going to minus it each time. Now in condition we can say as long as $I is bigger than 0. So if I save this and go here, refresh, you see everything goes upside down. We have value 10, 9, 8, 7. So it's like, okay, $I is 10 till it is more than 0. We are going to fire each time minusing 1. That's the reason we are going in decreasing order. So this is how you use for loop. So you are doing everything in the same area in parentheses, so you are not passing $I plus anywhere else. You're doing it straight away here. So hope you got the understanding. We will be using for loop a lot, and you will get to know it. If you face any problem in this, don't worry. As long when you're going to use it more, with practice, you will get the understanding how it works. So let's see more loops in the upcoming videos. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.